Got some stuff for our dirt bike. See what we got.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Alright, finally pried and banged it off. You can see the gasket ain't no good. Pretty sure that's probably why it's leaking. So can't find no gasket for this Chinese bike from who knows where. It came from somebody in Texas, but I'm going to order some Permatex RTV. I'm going to just use the high temp. I ordered the ultra black. I'm going to just use it. Silicone maker. So scrape this old gasket off. Drain whatever oil is left is in there. Probably ain't much left, as you can see. And yeah, get that new gasket on there. Hopefully it'll be here tomorrow or the day after. Ordered off the Zon, cheapest price I could find. The auto store had it for double the price, so I can wait a day or two. Bike ain't going nowhere. So wait for that. Hopefully that solves all our problems. Once we get that done and get the brakes situated, hopefully I can go for a ride. Well, here you go.
Got some stuff for our dirt bike. See what we got. We got some Earl. I say E10W44T. Got this from Advanced Auto Parts. I think it was about 13 bucks. And then got this Dot 3 brake fluid, Prestone Max. I think that was about $14 or something like that. I spent around 26, 27 bucks. So here's that. Here's the receipt. I spent $23.80. The Dot 3 was $10.99. 10W40 was $10.99. So all right, $23.80. So I bought some straps to get it home. That were like 11 bucks from Wally World. Plus that 23 bucks. So we about 34 bucks in on our Apollo, you know, plus the $13.50 that I paid for it. See what else we got? We'll put the size prices and links for everything. But I got some ultra black Permatex gasket maker. Couldn't find a gasket for it, so we're gonna be using this. Watch a couple more videos on the tool, figure out how to use it correctly. We're gonna get that on there today. Hopefully that'll stop our leak. I've never used that before, so it'll be the first time. Here we have it says US Auto Mio coat cap 15-piece brake bleeder gauge for cars, trucks, and bikes. Let's get this open. See what we got. is instrucciones. I got no idea how to use this. I'm gonna go watch some videos on how to use it. New brake kit ain't come yet. I got a whole new brake kit from eBay, like $100, so it'll be coming soon. Came with rotors, lines, brake levers. I'm talking about everything you need for brakes, front and back. $100 off eBay. For the Apollo, I'll put a link for that later. It ain't got here yet, so. But got us a bleeder kit. Something I didn't have, so it'd be good to have. Work on my car, bike anyway. Let's see what else we got here. HR, watch your head, protected and stay. Yeah? Watch your head, protected and stay. I am Shelby, a worm, so I definitely need a helmet. Yeah. Hopefully this fit on my head and my hair. Looks pretty big. I got an open face joint. Matte black. You know I gotta do some of that. Can't just stay plain Jane. See if it fits. Damn you, Samuel. It's an XL phone. Down or something. No, it's too tight. Damn. Last piece of equipment. I think that thing was like 35 something. I don't know. I gotta get a bit more. I honestly did measure my head, and it was like 27 inches around, and that one was like 24. I don't know why. I should have known better. Oil drain pan. I needed one of these anyway. Get this off the Zon for like 10, 11, it was like $11. $16 quart. Nice little drain right there. All the oil going there. Alright. But got a little place say drain the filter here. You place the filter right there, drain. Oil plug storage. You put it right there so it don't, you know what I'm saying, just kind of hold right there. So you don't use the top, lose the top, but good little cheap little. Cost a lot more when I saw that Advanced Auto Parts. I think they wanted like $16 for it. I got this for like $11. I saved probably a little fan. But that's it right now. I gotta go find a helmet now. And get that gasket maker on. Stay tuned.
Lego.